Hey, welcome back to part 2. Don't know why the F my camera just, cut out. I mean, that was stupidly weird. But anyway, wanted to make this in one part, but for some reason my camera started to act bad. Bad camera, bad camera, bad camera. And, it cut out on me, so now it has to be a 2 parts instead of 1 part video. Anyway, as I was saying, the stupid mistake that ChapStick Duo has made is, on the bottom, they just have, where it just says ChapStick Duo, code number, and then the QR code. What they really need to do is put the flavor on. Because if you look at any other company, any other brand, they tell you like, oh, this one's not just a white one, this one's peaches and cream. This one is not just an orange one, it's, triple tropical. They actually tell you the freaking flavor after you open up out of the freaking package spots, After you open out of the package spots, each one of these is not like, well, that's an orange one, that's a white one. No, this is triple tropical, this one's peaches and cream. They actually tell you the flavor labeled on there. With ChapStick Duo, you just have, hey, it's a color top. You gotta open it up, smell it, taste it, lick it, saw it, to understand the flavor what it is. Or always carry around a little packaging to know what flavor is and scent is, which is stupid, just retarded, stupid. Like I said, they need to put the freaking name on there because every other company puts a name on what flavor it is. So when you go, you reach for it, you're like, yeah, I feel I'll try, cupcakes. You won't say, is this cupcake? Is this one cupcake? Ooh, maybe this one's cupcake. No, this one's gotta be cupcake, right? You could just look and be like, oh, cool, cupcake. Sweet. It's cotton candy. Yeah, I feel like going for a little cotton candy today, Simple, easy. What I was saying was these, But yeah, anyway, let's get on to it. Let's look at these. Let's smell them. Let's taste them. And they are kind of hard to open up by themselves. And the whole snap feature, just line up. So one's going to have 2 little gashes on there on each side. The other one is not. You just want to line smooth with the dot with the smooth. Put them together. And by far, it makes it way, way more easier to open these ones up. And I don't know why, but for some reason the blue cotton candy one wants to open up. Not these stupid. Yeah. There we go. Finally got the pink cupcake one to open up. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Nice little pink thing. How's it smell? Not very cupcake-isny at all. Maybe I would say like a white or a yellow cake for like the batter. But frosting, not really frosting. Don't know why they call it pink cupcake. I guess because of the color, but it doesn't really smell like a cupcake. How does it taste? Let me pour some. Actually, I don't like this. This one's pretty garbage. Anyway, moving on to one that I think I might like. The cotton candy one. Nice. Oh man, that blue is just so pretty and nice. I mean, I don't even know how to describe it. It's like almost a metallic, translucent, glow-in-the-dark type of blue. Well, maybe not glow-in-the-dark, but I mean, that is just a nice color blue right there. I love that blue. That blue is just awesome. How does the cotton candy smell? Actually it smells more like a blue raspberry icy type of Slurpee. Doesn't really smell like that much of a cotton candy. This one applies a little bit more easier than their super pink cupcake one. And tastes pretty good. It tastes almost like a Jolly Rancher, I'd say. Like one of those blue raspberry Jolly Ranchers. Oh yeah, that one. That one's pretty good. I love that blue cotton candy. Well, they call it cotton candy. I'll call it blue cotton candy because the other one's called pink cupcake. But yeah, and then, you know, to just interchange them, you know, you could just do it like that. So you could have cotton candy and peach, or peach cotton candy. You could have whatever the heck this one was in cotton candy. You could have garbage pink cupcake and whatever the heck that one was. Or yummy peach and nasty pink cupcake. Yeah. But yeah, like I said, you could rearrange them to create your favorite flavor combinations. I think my favorite flavor combination would be the peach one, because as you always seen how much of this peach I use. I use a lot of it because it's so good. And probably the cotton candy. But yeah, that has been the unboxing, taste testing review of ChapStick Duo Pink Cupcake and Cotton Candy review. Remember to rate, subscribe, leave a comment, and hit that notification bell. Alright, thanks, bye.